Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options in Etrade. First, ensure your Etrade account is approved for options trading, as this is a crucial prerequisite. Next, log in to your Etrade account and locate the options trading section. You'll typically find this under the Trade tab. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout before placing any trades. This initial setup is key to a smooth trading experience. Once you're in the options trading platform, utilize Etrade robust research tools. Search for the underlying stock or ETF you're interested in. Then, examine the option chain to view available strike prices and expiration dates. Pay close attention to factors like implied volatility and open interest, which can provide valuable insights. Selecting the right contract requires careful consideration of your investment goals and risk tolerance. After selecting your desired option contract, it's time to place your order. Choose your order type, such as a limit order for better price control, and specify the quantity of contracts you wish to buy. Input your desired price, keeping in mind the bid and ask spread. Always review all the order details thoroughly before clicking place order to avoid any errors. Confirmation of your trade will appear shortly. Once your options trade is executed, it's essential to actively monitor your positions. Keep an eye on the underlying asset's price movement and how it impacts your options value. Be prepared to adjust your strategy or close your position as needed, understanding both potential profits and losses. Remember, options trading involves significant risk. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.